Hello and welcome to the last video of the series where we're going to go over the shipping calendar. So this is what the calendar looks like. This is a helpful tool for the exciting logistics adventure of creating a shipment. On the left here, you can see the notes back and forth on the shipments that are undelivered. So let's say this was one that we need to call the fictitious guy Earl. So I can say I called Earl. Made up example. So you can write little notes back and forth between the team. You click save note. And the great thing is under this order, you'll be able to see the back and forth. So it can kind of become like a fun blog form for keeping everyone up to date in the team. So this is an example of, oh, we need to go to the 25th instead of the 29th. So you can drag all of those orders over. And the great thing is instantaneously, it will change the date required for these three orders. All of these will be changed. And so whatever production bucket they're in, they will be put to the top as long as your team is filtering from the estimated delivery date from low to high on all of the production buckets. This will make sure that the ones that are updated, this is a very old one. I hope that none of you in your shop have one that's due in 2016. But the great thing is when you move it over in the calendar, it will automatically update the estimated delivery date, which means that if it was at the bottom, it will then be put to the top of the production. So everything can be expedited, so everything can hopefully get done before the shipment is created. So that will take care of all of the crazy logistics of having to tell Joe, hey, work on Samantha's order and Jill's order because we need to get it done next Thursday. This all does it in the system so they can just look at their production bucket and get things done quicker. That about wraps it up for this calendar video. It's a very simple one. If you ever have any questions, feel free to reach out. But we hope that you enjoyed this series of the shipping section in StoneSpot. Super happy that you could join us. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.